Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this colorful smushy and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use beige by Finger Paints called Natural Talent, yellow by Sinful Colors called Yellow Yellow, white by Sinful Colors called Snow Me White, this red by Color Club called Frostbite, and brown by Revlon's Perfume called Chocolate Truffles. So I cut a piece of my sandwich bag because I'm going to fold it later and show you a different kind of smushy design. But first I'm going to apply the different colors onto it. So I wanted to do autumn colors because it is autumn, and I wanted to do a lot of, autumn designs. I love autumn, so I wanted to do that. But I added the yellow, the bright yellow and white, just to break up the darkness of the colors. Now once I was done with that, I folded the little clipping in half, and I did that 2 times to create a cool smushy design. You can do this with any color combos you want. It's really something fun. It gives you your own unique look, and that's what I always like to do. Now once I was done with that, I'm going to use a big clear jelly stamper to pick up the design. I like to use big stampers so that I get, a bigger choice, more choices of what design I want to put onto my nails. I got so many different choices, but I wanted to do the more red and brown and yellows to it. Now I'm going to use this Born Pretty BPL 093 nail plate. They sent this plate to me to review. It's a really cool plate. Has a lot of abstract designs on it. I really love it. It picks up really well and it's really cool. If you want to go on the Born Pretty website, I'm going to leave the link below. Now I decided to apply a black stamping polish onto this abstract design. I wanted to do something different. I like autumn, but I don't want to bore you with so many autumn leaves and different, autumn stuff. So I wanted to do the autumn colors, but then put a cool abstract nail stamp design on it. Just to, give it something fun and cool. And I love the look of it. This came out so cute. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple for you guys to recreate if you want. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.